Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and I will show you how you can connect this speaker to your Android smartphone. So at first you have to remember about charging your speaker. When you make it, you have to simply click on this power icon once. Right now your speaker is turned on. You will also hear this notification sound. You can just take a look right here on this notification indicator. When it's lightning on the white, it means that the device is turned on. Next you have to turn it to the Bluetooth pairing mode, so click once on the Bluetooth icon. Right now when this Bluetooth icon is blinking and the device is making this sound, you can simply open Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone, enable the Bluetooth, and then you will find the JBL Charge 5 into your pairing available devices. So just select JBL Charge 5, click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So for example, let me play maybe free music for YouTube videos. As you can hear, we successfully connect our JBL Charge 5 to our Android smartphone, and that's how we can make it in very easy way. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.